DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural. Lady D, looking tacky. I keep my game tacky. Yo, yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural. The infamous. Looking tacky cause I keep my game tacky. I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural. It's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo. Stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon. Getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon. And I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous switches wanna come back me cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends. Don't care if I make or lose a few friends.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Airfros and Babyhairs. And today I am going to be doing a quick get ready with me. I haven't done one of these in a while and I decided to go ahead and do one. So I'm gonna start off by getting these edges together. I just recently did some crochet wet and wavy type hair in my head, so I just need to keep these edges together. So I'm starting off with some warm water on these edges, and I was wearing a lace front wig and it's kind of like have ripped my hair out, so my hairline is looking a little funny, but y'all don't judge me. So we're gonna be working to grow that back out. But anyway, moving on, I am putting some leave-in conditioner on my edges as well to add some moisture because they was looking a little dry. And then I'm following up with this Blue Magic. I think this is the castor oil one, so I'm just gonna add some of that. Hopefully that'll help my hairline, you know, get back together. You know, this hairline have always been crazy, but that little piece missing in the front is kind of irking me. But anyway, after that, we're gonna follow up with some edge control. I'm using a Lot of Body brand and got this little edge brush. Yeah, that's the Lot of Body edge control. I think this is my favorite one because it doesn't run. It's not runny once you know you get out in the sun. You know how some edge controls turn into an oil. This one doesn't do that. So yeah, I like this one and it holds these edges down pretty good. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. So now y'all, we about to work on a little makeup. Now usually I don't do much for makeup. I've gotten to the point now where, well, first of all, I never really liked like a lot of foundation and all of that on my face because I have such sensitive skin. But yeah, I will wear some concealer or some of that BB cream or something like that. But right here we're just toning the skin, and then I'm going to follow up with some moisturizer and then commence to putting on this concealer just for today. I don't do this every day, but this is still a quick, you know, way to get, you know, a soft beat without doing too much. But yeah, I'm just going in with some concealer. I didn't show where I moisturize my skin, but usually after the toner I always moisturize my face and then follow up with either this concealer, or I'll just go in with my setting powder. And that's basically all I do on a regular daily basis. But most of the time I opt to not wear makeup at all unless, you know, I'm trying to go out and do something. But if I'm just, you know, working, I don't have to do any photos, I don't really have to see too many people or anything like that, I'm going to go barefaced. But yeah, anyway, I'm blending in all of this concealer with a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and just blending it all in. And yeah, making sure I get under the neck, get that forehead, you know, that's what we doing. But yeah, I'm not going to do any contouring and all of that. I just want my skin to look pretty much natural. That's the look that I'm going for. Like, I don't want to be giving too much. But yeah, keeping it basic, keeping it quick. After this, we're gonna follow up with some setting powder and do our lips. Not even really going to wear any mascara. I'm not doing my brows, none of that. Just keeping it basic. This is like maybe a 5 to 10 minute makeup routine. You keep it simple. So yeah, I just go in with my sponge and just press this powder in to set the concealer. And yeah, basically that's it. I think I'm gonna follow up with my brush just to make sure I don't have any fine lines or anything like that. Make sure everything is blended good. But that's it for me right there. Not giving them too much. And just combing these eyebrows out so they won't look all over the place. But I don't really do my eyebrows too much these days because I am trying to grow them back. So when I'm in the process of growing them back, I don't do too much to them. But yeah, so now I'm just putting some concealer on my lips so that I can line my lips and proceed with some chapstick. I'm using this Palmer's chapstick. Like I said, just keeping it pretty basic. So right there, I was just setting the concealer on my lips just to make it seem like, I give the illusion that both of my lips are the same color, and so it won't be looking so crazy. And that's optional too. I don't do that all the time, just when I feel like it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, is just working on these lips. And I did want to mention before we transition to any other part, is like, once you're done with your hair, I do recommend you go wash your hands before you start on your makeup, because you don't want to get any product from your hair onto your face, which can cause breakouts. Coming from someone with sensitive skin, I wanted to point that out. I did get up and go, wash my hands. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I basically used some brown lip liner and my Palmer's Cocoa Butter chapstick, and that was it on the lips. Now I'm just brushing out my eyelashes to make sure they're not all, intertwined with each other, making sure they're straight. Like I said, I'm not wearing any mascara, no eyeliner, no false lashes, none of that. I'm just keeping it pretty basic, and this is just an everyday look for me. The other thing I wanted to mention too, you can like tie your edges down, but since majority of the hair is going to be covering up these edges anyway, it wasn't that serious for me. Here I'm getting out eye boogers, putting on some stud earrings, just keeping it really simple. I didn't want to wear my hoops or anything like that because sometimes those earrings get caught up in the hair. And this is the wavy, I think this is ocean wave hair. This is the ocean wave crochet hair that I put in. I can only leave the styles like this in for just a few days because this hair really irritates my scalp. Sometimes it irritates my skin, so I can't wear it that long. But yeah, guys, this is the look for today, and this is what your girl is looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick get ready with me. We kept it basic, we kept it simple, and I'm gonna show you guys what kind of shoes I'm wearing with this little jumper thing. Yeah, I'm really into those this spring and summer. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Peace and love, and be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural. Lady D. Looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
Looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is children on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous switches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends. And I look like $1 trillion. Lady D won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the butt, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Or get all up in my hair, cause I let